Hello, Mala, Chabaga Mal. In the island of America, Canada. And the Maduna got Belgiak. It was a boot Kamal. We the Kenja Africa, Ethiopia, don't Taro right now. Kɛnɛ Tabakal Grunwang, US, Australia, DOJ, Shangdatyang, I'm not sure. The Larmal, Yene, the other way, Yangati. They joined a little bit, the Changanang 2 weeks, 3 weeks till topic Mujala Manong, but they decide to take a topic middle corner right order. Topic at the core right in Walla, Milai travel medicine. Milling Yana, you put a thumb up. You're the here, calling at the earphone. Then that con you work go they real quick go check on benang time. But topic medit. Dung the go je the contact a language. The bummer longer barlat. And then your banatani and banana which what can tag me. In terms of we mourn can lose your tack. La Linglida Lara, the world is getting closer. La Raan ɛjɛn QR, Kachankel, Bocho QR the next day. Kɛnɛ take a field medicine itself. Like travel medicines. Takonating one again Europe, work Africa. Then takonating one again Africa, work Europe, Canadian Western world. So take a question and want to take a coordinating take a medical field and go well nango would lela so go to overcon advice ke general broad publics in the neck in the advice ke minnam min bijal general broad prepare chin and them be ngajin go dorin jelisin kana go within take a dääk. Begin especially Baraka Cornate Western world. Begin the Western world of Boka Africa. A Muboalad. DGN we gully chimore. DGN don't take a mission work manang. Chenada Oga dog rock. DGN don't want to get tourism. Don't go pay Ray hotel, leave what to go. So to talk to a different take a dääk waltindi nang cancellation. A bogone Wawimon is getting very closer. Nading could travel year 2012. Chinchijal we wanted the in our exit continent. About 1 million people why chikajal 2012. Therefore, Canadian 1 billion, so here 1 million, Canadian 1 billion. To take a native, she take a problem, nothing, she can take a draft, you can go no what you can go in. Can you get a problem more to or or lack of counseling? Under focus area dan. Go and travel medicine did jid. Miramidian walla wake Australia. Take a counseling look at the Durkan, Miramidian worker China, take a Durkan, Miramidian worker India, nominated worker Russia. And the focus go we done is Africa, mostly traveling from Ethiopia, South Sudan, Kenya, a worker Sudan. A little bit Central Africa, East Africa take a broad disease to go to prevent. Minnam me jenny yenanating jenna with them. Let's say example what take a woman to Rundi Jan 1. Chanka US can check them to 35 years old Karundi shop ko world the age. So you check a dap a guard angro, got killed runbaro, got killed rundi, Chamuna example on a moon. A 1 day told me jen ka waka Africa. What kind of counseling do you come kara? So Minyam la in Toga me bijal buo we monitor again. Jeremy Larman right doctor. A very important will be doctor Largotin Botin. Let's say movie ka artist. Jiramu work artist ababa per te dääk and ramu work gambella. ramu go gambella bo te da karami ci jien milen wore cing ci kwain lo ni burube ni roli chali nyene nyang ni ki bo cross bo South Sudan. So to take a different level of advice me chai jam ki mi jeli ka nei ti to ane kon ku ga local community dan. You are actually representing our community. Nei to bigger depend ga advice. So yes, again what pre-travelings will be take counseling traveling is very important. So most of the time melana thong jeng ni doctor we ka go and field of travelings a field by itself. Michigan native sabbath la travel chamata corner chamata take a thank you the wallen go te jal kel kana chango cup kan jog to da tin china cup. So go will be work at the real travel medicine. Ko kɛnɛ to taka ke jwasi chicken ke study wijo. So ngai ke je umi chi jen chi work Ethiopia. A juey me di ro de gang jam. Kami chi jen we go South Sudan a juey me di ro de gang jam. Raw de te document to go ke ibi jal ka ke. Ko mu yo dong ba yo pin wijo ke ba pin ko lu jok mo bi ke US. So Toto again go to a känɛ your itinerary and kanila ticket renyalu BLR area travel, purpose of travel, type of travel, transportation of work and money accommodations. Risk to work and don't jira mu do to di wo jare wo di wo to wo we wo kun we wo kun man ki di wo changa lo changa wa mi te toilet let me say for example. Ki dong do to wo di wo kwa year. Don't go with feel pew. Can all the things like I put a consideration. Because each one of them take a walk in the day now. So, for example, minimum risk assessment is very, very important. Ko minimum ba gor ba ji gor no ba ji moike ba ji look ba ji council ka protective equipment di ko. Tin lorodin ko da ju hakila ngon nonga kwam da ka gam. For example, me woj mi take ni. So take a walter bukon right tini yo walter tindi nang wal nye the tono tindi nang walter di nang ko pitol beni tindi labo movie can go the tono so bukon right in a little bit so again role medical provider o michi ro jekalo chiro ka appointment ramu ku yen travel be research mo be kan ahead of time then be issue logo go Minimum the goal in Gorke, a wo by the gang which you become. Very important. A wo michi jal, michi jen a role me, mostly mijili kelka guard. A very important will be a jachi juiga work of role me. Ko point key and immune system then can ataro land they are completely different. Okay? Tama thank God I which you take a jal medit, Nathan one cock chiga rodi along a travel, walk on she manacon walk a near point jagadian get here manacon. Take a certain thing that they need to take can guard and jello care. Rauda Michi joined to take more than 5 years co Western world 1 minute. Though she had up and got made up a rollman, but your immune system check comparable canati. Coach environment, which I got in Kunala, point and active, cooker lagam. So and no more yes, go je minimum by the local the drug digger prevenity. And then the board ke like shall injury kagang bala through counseling, education, medication, and immunization to drop the tour big galade. So Jeremy Chalarmanan iyo michi ben ba category based on your health. Takon the pandan tang the juey go Western world don't even muiga diabetes, don't take a heart disease. Don't take a lung disease, don't take a kidney disease, don't take a cancer. Kia don't take a no to layaka. Can kia take a blood clot. Can to talk based on how you travel by the advice and go let me say we take a blood clot. By you make sure and go be aspirin a day be young now. Go and jarhin yalin let me say for example 5 and ka is Africa pan gajan. From Chicago to Addis Ababa, I think it's close to 8 hours. A jal medit, ray nyalan thongomone. So what it need is go to jail, don't take a compression socks, could be take be aspirin, be a kind of day, just a tablet of aspirin day. But you will prevent coach take a blood clot. Again, preventive number one in Bukan for those long journey. Aspirin is very cheap, you know. I think anyone go conda go to take aspirin, you know. I mean, ibuprofen is more expensive than that, but one tablet a day can prevent a lot of clotting, as long as you take other bleeding problem. So, no more majorly, like I recommend go be you can order a rainel 2 days before you travel to the airplane, just to prevent you from blood clot. Michiro muike churamne la kai chalke kharijini medan la churamne barbar and konde banu wi malran. So churamne kon look any ku chiriam chung ku chicken belong or chicken benar. So the tardy and a very squeezing on a one preventative one. So the next thing in Balelo food, you know, food can a quantin boy cham widan, you know. So me to roll put, you know, medan a corner char and jala pai jala. I thought it would leave the cherry a tar and one, you know. Kia quantin de chum till lega chum with a medan metal fine law is almost the same. Good news of put in allo change that I'm letting my year, but me to walk and which you want on money, you jang the pew to mouth. Be very the source of a lot of disease didn't more now a problem with pew. So mu long road to put me chang be here more good more the pew barrel. Rather the michi pew barrel, take a tilla cocker, a la filter, teacher test in order any pew that can get tea. Langana jelga kale all the time. Can't be used Mokwai Jalamo, Ethiopia is Jatianko take a pew barrel, take a pew to filter. So broad moika kale me bakan. Broad muga can filter more. Go filter more change. What dang nijig why don't think of pure. The pew ye diga can diga la jaga, diga tiga. You it's better than nothing. But the main thing is if you can avoid tap water. People avoid the muddy and car can tap water. Be a good go near luck or black a cable top cake. Call a tank in a way. You don't do that. So you avoid as much as possible. Mineral there. Let me put example salad. But on the Western world, one of our favorite food is salad. Salad travel medicine is one of the worst one. Ko umala to a la clean lineness church we mourn. We mourn it again. Natin that chicken can eat own restaurant. Like can a hire in to cocaine. We can call a palake. Nay don't chicken eat very clean. Quagga pay your queen. So imagine your salad and come to give me work in a clean. Me see a restaurant no go me check to Nairobi, here to Addis Ababa, here to Ghana to cook here. Number what to organ and salad in Nungaji, here to tomatoes in Nungaji, quack like a pew, like a pew tea dirty, a pew matura. The matura more Arabic thin that you don't know. So quite recommend a chicken morale, she fruit me, she gin bajaban gather. Here they chop. So no more key ring macan talk about ring macan muika mine muga quaja avoid which here they chop. Mindadian a chap. Cornati tiquares up a chap to corner to the low chap. Chap take a certain disease, especially liver disease, take a just one along to walk through them. To our Kagwang Igatin. Would be cut and cover Kamangai there. So like you are like a short cake. So make a 2 hour which go which make sure and go chakutin be a mad because chap the chapel. Back up all temperature moga then big a cool down. The Changlen go freeze a bigger quite. So make sure and go chaga con. The same thing money rich, you know, and I love it and everything. But it's very important to wait until you come to Kampal. Big mark, big chamnering with our palki chabul. Rather try to avoid no meat correct. We toy. Telala Kona Levi Medan. I mean, it's fun and it looks nice and everything, but is still very dirty. A chunk of white chala go we done Tomo chatidial chaka separate. ka na ne ta toilet ni ajel 2 year ta everything ta within. So to say it nice and ku avoid di mit ko kon juey ni, you know. Yes, of course kon mi cha bul cha lak cha go but lo di ke juey ni yo. So we end up and go bu di me very unsanitary di elel here bi go western world money ne kon terek. For example ga di gen ga ades tin ta ga gambella chwane ka goro no bana ka manare ina ko na mo da ko mo ke karier mudit men da dien along men cha recommend special ko ne do East Africa betel like all vector illness ka jwatin je ka qui calm, you know, mostly juey daan indeed along ngade nyit, you know, nyit can jwat the ala kokin wa is very important along and di goro no ko tok tiang dan pai chang ko ki ko runwa dan long pai chang le you avoid outside cho go to be chu khaira bu ngar ke nyen ke you can easily get infected mi ɛjɛn no rum no insect repellents la kɛnɛ ta ka baar le di tieni ne te kɛɛl mostly mi cha mat ke chemical actually DEET, you know, one of the best one in chemical more take a lot of poison ke human body but naga come to one so be go no be jawe jekel mi che to no di go mir jordan bi choco spray ke je ko kapin te be ni ke bi ni ko bi spray ke je so be ni to one be ka prevent so be je ga no chi da te ke je men da dia along a year intentionally, you know, con take a warm ne ti je ke repi, you know, medan ko kon ngai ni mi la chali juey actually here juey mi je but take mi la chali schizomiasis mi la chali chodanan ngo de ro lam tong mo tere mon ko kon kel so go je o long o he bu go bo ta ke fan repi ni ko da to wono da wore gubudu and then mu je wono ko western world bana ban ta ka hard time treating it be jila ban moy ka ngad if you can bo ke kujimo be avoid no long chida jal ke part ko gwamata ka twak, you know, just to make fun of it so beji dai ji kula dai ji lo so no more can most preventative can to diala ton men da dien seat belts mi je to gi wo kan tong mi ngai ke je to bel dial they are very crowded if you can afford it di roda mo ji ka taxi kadi seat belt di la mi to gi sila ta fan lo use motorcycle like always wear your helmet ko chabo chadaga odong di go hen up, you know, doing an accident I mean it's worse over there than con ko getting ganati get a go long tweet but tell like a char to go, you know, very easy when you get into trap men the dien last here very easy and it's very sensitive sexual activities, you know. So mi ji go western world ajira mata be yo of course, you know, lenyi per ke average ne anything na ka yo to go tin takalla but lenyi ne itin one tin la ka tedien so bo to go bita ka yo and then mala wa to la two thing la kan wa to mi jira mala mat ko kan so bu kan bo lem and then yo chima ko kan then mu be nyer be ka ji so please very important and me ke nyamu ku ne je charo do le la gwa try to avoid di what hoy ke nyer ti juruni ka yo jira mi general man so you end up will be job big no ngoro bro mo ke joy me very cardiac mi cha bulong to tweet rather than ka waje no ngin ke yo and instead of having fun to mo be fun kumu be ken wo lo ko be ken mo kare na me che dun wuna kara wood money check bo kon man ta kon ke capacity bo da kon nei ti choro di ne ka nei to go ka jal ga ka nei go ki di da ngai dang da ken wo trap a ken long me many into the western world one of the respect for me take and toy ne ti jekanika ka ken yerodun comedian so the jimal trick to fall into a big problem so I'm just saying it let learn channel learn ka te chi tuong no wat ko kon so no more agenda lara so michi kwa jen no those are just preventative, okay. And then what are the medication? Ka walnut da raan kanang, okay? Kwanne to ngai malaria. Malaria take a wal ti chare like odi ka nang kini ni gen. wal nyam la malaje ke no wal me da contain me la kona shola chloroquine ke hydrochloroquine. It's a very effective drug. Medan like treat malaria. Come ahead of time. There malaria there. But and drug me hydrochloroquine they take a resistant medit. Mostly is Africa. So be step up a little bit. Take a like flaconils. Kia doxycycline. Doxycycline is like gel. Kon team like gel kane. Take a very cheap drug. 100 milligrams. You just take it once a day. Be a mouth kɛɛl every single day. Ganga malaria to best, you know. I mean, you brought water over yet, but ganga malaria long. Be a mouth and then brought with more like 1 week mouth. So be you look. Me look mother. Go pan up here like la jala go and doctor cycling. Like here to do like here me take a deed meal up in la pan up loy in a jala. There's another drug, similar like mabloquins, you know. So one or more the rom kajikale take a wild dog, you know. Michelle Pramaquin, but in Pramaquin like I can once a week. Mean little bit different, a little bit expensive, you know. You can once a week, manu job, a chunkel kajok. So week 1 month, but can you 4 times a week. So but doxycycline you have to take it every single day. Chloroquine is there, but kairia is a very resistant drug. So yes, kakon bro yigang malaria. The next one, diarrhea. I think the one Iran travel, including myself, anyone cover diarrhea. So diarrhea is one of the easiest things to get. Mostly here the kanya dirty. Just when you travel, the environment broader will change. So go to you will be jal kawal. Te one like this most solicited, you know. One of the very good medicine you can take when you travel. Okay, but you gang ko michi diarrhea just but you might look over slow down. Another medication is azithromycin, you know. Like azithromycin like malamak roll many, but take a cough, bronchitis like I come with you. Very cheap drugs, you know. So be broad muike dose ni ko be kam jikel. Kimi che jena me da chloroquine or ciprofloxacins, you know. So can waldang do they are very important for travel diarrhea. So because be doctor ja gora ka baga back to. So men naka ka kendang do special fluoroquinolol which only twin diarrhea kora a antibiotic. It can also help you me chila water ka time gua. So be look so you can take those. Those are the medications that you can take. Mostly the very important things. So malaria, diarrhea. Those are very very easy to get in me. But take a waltidi ka me chicken yan. But the first thing is preventative. Quando be cham can computer be mark be get it. Then be wala topic kan. You will come back fine. There's no problem. Roll on to choboga. And then another important thing of vaccination. You know, ngaji wata kono need one religiously whatever point of view, look and vaccine. Vaccination they are very important. Me ti role me work a doctor check vaccination, regular vaccination to come kana. Akini in travel. One of the vaccine I recommend any got Nuer should take hepatitis B. Hepatitis B roll on is chronic. Need one cover long. Cover na chia doren. Social life into con where quotidian cheer communicate. And the correct medan ko hepatitis B jigging a mit twong kele me mina tung kia gwale diaranan jigje. So please miti wanna take a chance any reg titino. A jitwom kia gar twong hepatitis hepatitis B vaccine. The vaccine bo the hepatitis A vaccine titin min go hepatitis A wala na cover but I'm not point out. I mean they mu juey chunkel min je hepatitis B will chronic. They just cover them then bo develop into juey mi bo point. So that mean a very important. Men DNA tetanus, you know. Tetanus la kona chol me dane ring. So you never know what bo jaltin dang do to ki war kamra chang jille ro di we ye the door. Then me take a rastinel ke ke michike da chang yini kwa gane dorne on da te open point kal me ke nail so me kana mo ke test na ke tetanus da yo mo ke mo so a very important wo tetanus kana mechale hepatitis A and B vaccination you must take them me ka god good tieni very important wo be ka jaba updated ko the vaccine bo kamla chala mumps rubella pertussis poliomyelitis varicella and then COVID-19 COVID-19 is still there, guys. I mean, it's jam tin Thomas. I mean, near you at jam con. So, Mr. Lima Gang vaccination is so far China I just said, and it helped. But to avoid them, I now vaccinate many times. Right now it's creeping up, it's coming back again. And would make almost with it. So more one in by you can. So mitigate chance go Western world go the vaccination or I really recommend that. So again, one of them, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, tetanus vaccination, total COVID-19 vaccination. Already now. When the is required, mutually yellow fever. Is required because we don't want Africa. Mo we jal ka Africa take a we to go to you which go travel thin lundi job by you so breja ba tum ke yellow fever and point at our corner to South Africa changa tum roll men but cha card cha parwi what I call South Africa you know by you to me come what for almost almost $200 ka vaccine makan almost $20 here you know. So it's very good to go. You make sure your yellow vaccine, your yellow fever vaccine is available. Melodian media larne ko kin ne la wo ke jalwa ko. A very important brand meningitis, vaccination. Meningitis juey mila cup they ne to one hero mat gwake. Especially chapala na wa palo ko binani and gwakel binin ko crawl ko dombo refugees camp. So a very important word is meningitis vaccination. Here we could have these kind of more. Could really what in the you don't know. The Mijataka outbreak is one of the deadly diseases that I don't want to never got on. So me crusader, me one hour right quote what toy kana kel, boychem kana kel very long period of time. Very important. Oh, you can meningitis vaccine. Take okay till qua recommend charaga cholera mostly laba area me cholera to break out the young boy at a time so he's not a lot recommended but quite recommend go connect the healthcare provider go meet you walk go to or only work and now treating you which okay I'm the cholera but meeting ordinary citizen me go and recommend me more a cover a better area would be working so quite recommend and then meridian rabies you know rabies mostly connect in chakon whatever recommend the raan would what happened go only what they walk the go mine only lo kai joke you know then the auto always go yella wa mera an kai joke wa rabies mera mera on a cup so look with you what to go chang ka hokel kana kel so the you ke rabies you know and then typhoid fever is one of those so ko more to talk can advise this day come your mostly very easy to get we travel the time you travel medicine but you come location there me just call me just give me a heads up they you look good to talk very important ko me you will lose your infection la nei ti to go western world la treatment in I have been using point malaria na hard time you know go about it but you can jaga bugaro la baraka ji by the refer guardian those are lost time at work you know so we want again she condom thing to all they recommend yes when we travel please let her last but not least and Paevan myself Paevan ka Africa take yen with the man work Ethiopia one dora and then tell away tell one ka so they need the altechi they receive teammate Digalata line with it. One of my triple nang ne wall nang ne equipment is wall equipment the dual wall corner the gambella they gotta upgrade a little bit one by one so chine equipment chine ganang ne we jiga doctor very bright, you know. Daman mi Dr. Cheng me aka gambella la de kɛɛl kɛnɛ ji house bureau daman to road chicken doctor kon chicken ga gwa kɛɛl chine take say chine to go along to ne ga kɛɛl ga ko we mo na me kɛɛl mi chala ngai ngwana me gwa u charge, you know, mi chi me tor ngai ba yi le ga chicken ga de chicken wo ngi long how to order an infectious disease daran ga diagnosis ti tel kane wa man ni malaria odi tweet it, you know, tan wa ngai ka, you know, chi ruac jen nga je chang le kudwal gor medan but nen ga every day, but at the same time tane technology me da ne ngi ga, so that thing chine wo ga, and then we turn around community dan kelu kɛnɛ ne ka South Sudan embassy ka address chine receive ga che George go kon we are a country, you know, ta kon ko wit jinran me le dor ga ne kun ken we have to claim it. Kabana Latina Gua, one nekon because citizen to go. The same thing in nature, you'll nay, a guard contact to embassy in South Sudan, Kadis, Damandana, Ambassador David Dang, can Ambassador James Morgan, chicken egg cover Gua, and you can name me what I mean, they won't look at Jubaka, she neighbor Ranch, they one in a phone. Go near Muderan and Neno, just Muderan long and learning. Things are going there to duck or down look okay. To be honest with you, channel about hide the problem no con. Banaka face, then Banaka cola solve, who go no chicken which Canadian jogati. So anyway, I think it will a little bit longer, but what I'm trying to tell you is please take preventative medicines at hands. Go jinmu we jal we mon meridian, Lamijang no why genethin chapter chu recklessly. Chow we tea blong peri canati generating medan. Nay tea immunity me better, chicken a low bill. Chere we book and one more development at time go you have gone and chicken the devil long tolerate. Go die is different, one can book different. So again I'm gonna under manduna got belnyak and chagualong. Larin you chechuko mal larin you yes. Please gang yourself. Chetu over name we done made an TDR Michael Michanga Lord Gajeda without quite Yamare can mare DRL Nike Namera. Charum that's another division chum of no idea. Go dollar ngaje what it is, you know. So can run Martin ngaje voting what idea ro katigo but go by that time they contain ki the young con make they could yes chemit kare long ko retal go right there, you know. There's different dual poiran ko yeah you come from a different planet, I mean different continent we meridian. So anyway, and please do not think which my so but need come thank you I keep it so any gentleman be a takamal ranch misleading committee woman Dr. Gadwell no I didn't do that kind so managing was you chajicha ok the RBD Jimoy chake yum then because so they pay on a mistake a dääk then banele thank you so much, bye bye.